TEK's apiary sites are situated in the southeast of Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I have two YouTube channels. One is HoneyBEE TEK and the other is Hobby Beekeeping in Australia. HoneyBEE TEK YouTube channel has been my educational channel. Over the last 10 years, TEK Workshops has had just over 500 students participate in them. TEK's motto, work smarter, not harder. I dare to be different in my beekeeping applications. I take a humongous amount of video and do a lot of experimenting to make it easier for my beekeeping. I dare to be different. The reason for my channels is a record of my beekeeping. All Aussie content. On this channel there have been over 300 videos uploaded to date. I've been doing beekeeping for 62 years and I feel that it's time that I started to slow down. To my knowledge, there is very few Australian YouTube channels. Most of the information is from other countries. The reason for this channel is a record of my beekeeping. I have 3 apiary sites in the Redlands and they have my nucleus hives and also my honey production hives, where I work them generally every week. This particular spring is producing a high amount of blossom, pollen and nectar, which means that it is going to be a very good season. That tells me that I'm going to be very busy working my hives' bees. The spring queen run has just started for rearing my queens for the 2023 season. Young queens just seem to lay a humongous amount of more eggs than older queens, keeping pollen and honey out of the brood super, with very few swarms in my apiaries. At the end of this month, September 2023, videos may only be made, edited and uploaded when I have some spare time. So enjoy the content and learn. Please like, subscribe and click the bell to my channels. Thanks for watching. All Aussie content.